Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited because I'll be sharing this delicious mouth-watering yam porridge recipe with you guys. So if you would like to know how I prepare this delicious meal, watch this video to the end. And these are all the ingredients I'll be using for this delicious meal: crayfish and dried shrimp, 1 tuber of yam, tomatoes puree, salt, maggi, onions, pepper mix, and spinach. So I'll be adding red palm oil to a dried clean pot, and I'll be adding diced onions as well. So you can either substitute green veggies or pumpkin leaves to spinach. So I just added the onions to the oil and I'll fry for some minutes for it to soften. I'll be adding tomatoes puree and I'll stir fry for 3 minutes. So I'll be adding pepper mix. I'll stir it for a few minutes and I'll be adding grounded crayfish and dried shrimps, and also I'll be adding salt and stock cube to taste. So I'll just cover it for it to cook for 5 minutes. This process is very important because we really need to fry the sauce very well to have a good taste and a flavorful aroma. So the sauce is well cooked and now it has started to stick to the bottom of the pot, and I'll be adding water. So I'll just give it a good stir and bring the water to a boil. So the water is boiled and I'll be adding yam to this sauce. Oh my goodness, the aroma coming out from this pot is so nice. And afterwards I will give it a very good stir and I'll cover it to cook for 18 minutes. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It's looking so good, and the aroma coming out from this pot is so nice. So I'll be adding spinach leaf, and of course stirring is a very important role of cooking. I'll give it a good stir and cover it to simmer for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, of course, our pottage is ready. So our yam porridge is ready. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe for more delicious and sumptuous video like this. See you in my next one, guys. Bye.